At Oliver Ford, we bring the service to you. Introducing our mobile service unit, designed to make maintaining your vehicle more convenient than ever. Whether it's rain, shine, or snow, we'll come to you within a 20-mile radius of our dealership in Plymouth, Indiana. Our certified technicians handle a variety of services, including oil changes, tire rotations, battery replacements, brake inspections, wiper blade replacements, and more, all from the comfort of your driveway or workplace. Why wait at a shop when you can keep your day moving? Oliver Ford Mobile Service is here to save you time while delivering the same expert care you've come to trust. Scheduling is easy. Call us today at 574-935-1001, visit oliverford.com, or stop by our dealership at 1001 E. Jefferson Street, Plymouth, Indiana to book your mobile service appointment. Oliver Ford, where convenience meets quality care.